There is a feature in JetBrains IDEs called Quick Lists, and in this lesson we're gonna review how to use them. So to see all available quick lists, we have to open up Quick Lists section in the settings. As you can see, by default, I have only one quick list called Deployment, with all the actions related to the deployment process. And the main idea of quick lists is basically get a quick access to some of the actions that we frequently use and we do not have keyboard shortcut assigned for. Instead, we're gonna have only one keyboard shortcut to open up the list with all frequent actions, and we can just choose an action from the list that we'd like to perform at that point. So first of all, we have to assign keyboard shortcut to a particular quick list by searching for the name of this quick list in the key map section and assigning keyboard shortcut to it. So I'm gonna create another quick list with favorite actions. Let's name this list favorites. And then we just have to add all the actions that we'd like to see in this list by pressing this plus sign. We can either look for actions manually, or we can also use the search field to search for a specific action. So right after we have added all necessary actions to this list, we can also group them logically to have some visual separation by adding a couple of horizontal separators, like this. Now that our list is ready, let's go to key map section, search for our favorites quick list, and assign keyboard shortcut to open up this list. I'm gonna use Ctrl-Option-Command F. Let's save the changes. And now anytime I need to get a quick access to my favorite actions, I can press Ctrl-Option-Command F, and I will get such a list with favorite actions. This one is also filterable. Once again, for frequent actions, it's better to use keyboard shortcuts. But in case there are so many keyboard shortcuts that we cannot memorize all of them, it might also be useful to create such a list with frequently used commands to quickly get access to all of them by simply memorizing only one keyboard shortcut, which opens up this quick list. And there we go, this is the last lesson of this series, where we have reviewed several techniques, various keyboard shortcuts, and in general ways to improve and speed up our development to be more productive.